Today we are going to cook கருவாட்டு குழம்பு முச்சக்கொட்டையோட. But let's listen to what are the ingredients needed for கருவாட்டு குழம்பு. சரியா? Okay, today I'm using கொடுவா கருவாடு, ikan kurau, salted fish. Okay, you can கொடுவா கருவாடு இல்லனா நீங்க வந்து சிவப்பு மீன், okay, ikan merah, red snapper கருவாடு salted, okay, or you can use sura கருவாடு. Sura கருவாடு is ikan yu, okay, shark, right. இல்லனா ikan talang, ikan tenggiri papan, இதெல்லாம் நீங்க பாய்க்கலாம். But அங்க for கருவாட்டு குழம்பு the best salted fish is the கொடுவா கருவாடு, ikan kurau. Okay, usually you buy the meat and buy the bones separately. எலும்பையும் வாங்கணும், அதோட எலும்பு அப்புறமேல அதோட சதையும் வாங்கணுங்க. சரியா? What I did, okay, I washed nicely the salted fish, okay, and then I soak it with normal water. Okay, normal pipe water, don't put hot water. Okay, soak it for about 1 to 2 hours and then wash it many times until the salt is no more there. Okay, and the salt வந்து குறைஞ்சிரும். நிறைய வாட்டி வாஷ் பண்ணுங்க. Don't use hot water. Okay, so கருவாடு done. Next is மொச்சக்கொட்டை. மொச்சக்கொட்டைனா what you call in English? I can't remember, but in Malay kacang sepet. Kacang sepet னுவாங்க. Okay, மொச்சக்கொட்டை. What I did, you see, this is மொச்சக்கொட்டை. I take an empty pan like this. I put the மொச்சக்கொட்டை on the empty pan and I goreng. I fried little while without oil. Okay, and then I pour water and I boil it until it becomes soft. Okay, soft but கொலைய கூடாது, ஹஞ்சோரா ஆக கூடாதுங்க. சரியா? Okay, மொச்சக்கொட்டை. This is about 1 kilo salted fish with bones. Okay, and then மொச்சக்கொட்டை I take about 2 பிடி, 2 கங்கம். சரியா? Okay, அவிச்சாச்சி. My favorite too, sister. Okay, now you need potato. Kelangu, about 2 or 3 potatoes. See, I use potato with the skin. I wash nicely, நல்லா கழுவிட்டு, okay, நல்லா கழுவிட்டு நீட்டா வெட்டணும். Okay, தோலை உரிக்க வேணாம், நல்லா இருக்குங்க. Okay, what I did to make my cooking finish fast, so what I did, I fried the potato short while. Okay, and this is brinjal or eggplant இருக்குல, கத்திரிக்காய். You cut it and then I fried alsoங்க. சரியா? Doctor, I miss you. Okay, and you need tomato. So tomato, brinjal and potato. Okay, done. Next அங்க, good morning. Okay, you need onion. Okay, 2 onions, cut it small. About 8 to 10 garlic, பூண்டு, pound it, இடிச்சுக்கோங்க. Ginger, this big ginger. Okay, pound it nicely. Okay, so all this and coriander leaf, கொத்தமல்லி இலை, இஞ்சி பூண்டு வெங்காயம். Okay, here. See you soon, doctor. Oh, she's my best friend, Dr. Anand Birko. Okay, the best dentist in town. Okay, okay, here what we have are the powders or spices. Fish curry powder, turmeric powder and chili powder. Okay, thank you, Trisha. Okay, so மஞ்சத்தூள், மீன் கறி தூள், மிளகாய் தூள். Okay, I use Baba's brand inga. Okay, and then okay, a lot of things again. Don't forget, we need tamarind water, puli tanni. Okay, puli tanni. Take la how much sour you want. Okay, இவ்வளோ அளவுக்கு நான் புளி எடுத்தேங்க. Okay, இது கருவேப்பிள்ளை. Okay, ஒருத்தங்க சில பேர் சொன்னாங்க நான் பிழையா பேச சொல்றேன்னு I'm trying அங்க. Okay, this is green chili, about 2 to 3 green chilies அங்க. Okay, and what else if I forget, this is coconut milk. You need salt. Okay, and then you need all other spices. Just a minute, sister. You need mustard seed, kadugu, vendayam, okay, fenugreek, halva. Okay, Saria. Okay, now we are going to start cooking, sister. Pen already taken up. Okay, please write it down. Okay, this recipe is from my grandmother, but of course grandmother usually they blend their own spices, but my cooking is always an easy cooking because I'm the type I cook and I go to work straight away. Okay, now pour oil. For this cooking today I'm using Yashkri's coconut oil. This is so authentic, so Indianized, so typical. Okay, so Yashkri brand. What you do now? Okay, we put in kadugu, mustard seed, put 1 teaspoon, and then put fenugreek seed 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, Susilama, vanakkam. I'm fine, amma. Okay, now you put in onion, garlic and ginger. All this put it in. Okay, good. Nalla potu vadakkanunga. Okay, mix it, saute it nicely. Right, good morning. Pushpanathan, vanakkam. Florina, good morning. Yes, fenugreek is very nice smell, and fenugreek is so good if you could consume it in the morning, just like jeeraga thanni, வெந்தய தண்ணிலாம் காலையிலேயே வந்து குடிக்கிறது ரொம்ப நல்லது. ஜீரண சக்தி for your digestion. It helps so much. Vanakkam Maha, vanakkam. Lima beans. Oh, mochakotta is lima bean. And someone was telling kachang parang. Yes, many names, sister. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சதெல்லாம் mochakottai. Okay, so idha mochakottai. Okay, now you saute it nicely, mix it nicely. This cooking is super good. Okay, always when I cook salted fish curry, it reminds me of my grandmother. என் அம்மா என் பாட்டி எனக்கு அவ்வளோ ஞாபகம் வருங்க. Because nowadays people don't know how to cook salted fish curry, one thing. Secondly, the typical taste you can't find anymore. Okay? Yeah, sister, it's very nice. Everybody's favorite. When I cook this karvatu curry, all my sisters will say, Akka, எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துட்டு வா, எனக்கு வேணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Because அவ்வளோ பிடிக்குங்க, அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கும். Okay, now this is the time. Put in tomato. Okay, and straight away the potato. Okay, potato actually I fried earlier, fried short while so that I cook it fast. But again, if you don't want to fry it, it's okay. And potato, try using it with the skin. அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்குங்க. அதை உரிச்சு அந்த மெதுவா பொறுமையா சாப்பிடுறது இருக்க அவ்வளோ ருசியா சுவையோ சுவை. Okay, nicely போடுங்க. Okay, காச்சா nicely. Mix nicely, yeah. Okay, brinjal later on, yeah. Yes, sister. Amuda says yes. You know, my grandmother used to use the clay pot manchatti. In the adupu very strong. When I used manchatti the other day, it cracked. So from that, since that day, I don't want to use manchatti on this stove. Okay. So actually, my grandmother used to do karvatu curry. Senjittu, you eat the same day, very nice. But when you keep it and eat the next day, அந்த சட்டிலே அந்த கறி சுண்ட வச்சிருவாங்களே, அதில் பழைய சோறை போட்டு புழுங்கல் அரிசியை சோறை போட்டு நல்லா கிண்டி உருட்டி 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 நம்ம கையிலலாம் கொடுப்பாங்கல்ல, வாயில் திணிச்சு விடுவாங்கங்க. அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்குங்க. ஓகே, now this is the time. Okay, we put in fish curry powder. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right? 3 tablespoons for 1 kilo salted fish. Okay? Mix it nicely, sister. Mix it. Adapa korachikla. Okay, and then now I want you to put in, right, turmeric powder, about half teaspoon. Chili powder, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, or more if you want it to be spicier. Okay, nicely kachavanga. You have to mix it until அது அப்படியே பொரண்டு விருண்டு வரணும். எப்படின்னா நல்லா ஒட்டாம. It has to be dryly roasted. Okay, all the powders. Sorry, எங்க கொட்டிருச்சு. Okay, this is the time. Okay. You put in tamarind water. Yes, sister. Baba's got the salted fish curry powder. But you know, I don't have it. I like to do it my own way. So, there you go. Okay, Ange. So, after putting in the tamarind water, remember, you put in your curry leaf, karivapillai. See, my karivapilla gundu gunda irukonga en thotathila villadu. Okay, my husband loves to do gardening. So parunga. Okay, I'm going to put karivapilla like this, and one more just with that, the whole thing. Okay? Nicely mix, sister. Okay, let it boil. Short boil. Oru kodile we can put the karivadunga. Okay? Don't put salt. Okay, because usually this ikan will have ready salt in it. What you do for now, don't put salt. You let it about 2-3 hours after cooking. Okay, then you taste your curry again. If not enough, okay, if it's not enough salted, what you do, then only you put. Right? Today I'm not going to use salt at the moment. Yeah? Okay, see, curry vandu kodikidilanga. Once boiled already, you put in all the salted fish. Right? See? If you need your curry to be watery, you can put more water in it, sister. I'm going to add little water. Little only. Okay, see? Let it boil. And this is the time you add on. Okay, you add on the green chili enga. Green chili, or if you want little more spicy, usi malagai. Okay, and the neat usi malagai irukla adha podalam. Okay? Thank you so much. Yes, sister, my children loves it. Okay, they say amma karuvatu kariya nalla irukuma அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுவாங்கங்க. For those who are vegetarian, okay, there are salted vegetarian fish, okay, in the market. You do the same way, but the salted fish you have to fry first. சரியா? பொரிச்சி எடுத்துறணுங்க. பொரிச்சி தான் போடணும், இல்லைன்னா ஹஞ்சோரா ஆயிருங்க. சரியா? Okay, கருவாடு போட்டோனே கருவாடு வாசம் வர ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சுங்க. Okay. See, I'm always worried that I will always tell my people not to put salt. Okay, because slowly when the curry thickens towards night, the salt will be there already. Okay, so avoid the salt. Seriya, if you need later on, appadam podunum. Seriyaங்க. I fry little karuvadu sis. I don't like the pacha vaadai. Okay, I leave it to you sis. But actually when you really cook with all the spices, no pacha vaadanga. Nalla irukonga சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு. When you put green chili, when you put garlic, ginger, okay, and a lot of tamarind, okay, and the பச்சை வாடை அடிக்காதுங்க. சரியா? So அதனால பயப்படாதீங்க. Okay, this is the time I want to put in the brinjal that I fried. Okay, if you don't fry your brinjal and potato, you have to put it earlierங்க. Okay, நல்லா கொஞ்ச நேரம் கொதி வரணும். This is a very easy cooking, easy way to cook salted fish curry, கருவாட்டு குழம்பு. Yes, yummy tummy. எனக்கு பிடிச்சதுங்க இந்த சமையல். When I am stressed, the only thing that I will look for is cooking. I'm a crazy cooking person. I can really cook in anda gunda, and I cook and give people, because I feel like I've got so much passion in cooking. So I show it in my cooking and I give it to many people. And எனக்கு அதுதான். Okay, for those who are asking about hair problems, please don't forget, okay, to call us. I've given you my number. Call and talk, sister. எல்லா முடி ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கும் கண்டிப்பா தீர்வு இருக்கு. Okay, if you have already menopaused, or you are the type that you always do rebonding, coloring, firming, please talk to us. I will always tell my customers, if you are using colors, avoid the colors which has ammonia. Seriya, because அது முடி ரொம்ப கொட்டுங்க. Ammonia products are, ammonia black shampoos are usually the shampoos that when you wash your hair becomes black. Are high in ammonia. So paathe seyinga. Seriya? Okay, our curry is almost ready. This is the time I want to put my mocha kottai. Okay, the one that I've boiled earlier. Okay, I put it in. Right, and I put the coriander leaf, kottamalli ele. Okay, and we are done. Okay, sister. Before that, sorry, not that short while. You know, coconut milk, put in little bit before you off. Little bit enough before you off. Okay, short while. Last tadam podunga coconut milk. Okay, let it boil short while. I want to taste my curry. சுருன்னு நல்லா இருக்கு.